That was good. That was good.
They didn't hit you, bro? Why are you doing that?
112, Jose.
Beautiful. Let's go, bro.
Good round, good round. Smiles.
And now for the main event, in the neon corner, the Mexican monster, Jose Jacinto. And in the other corner, hold on, they're still talking. Come on, coach. Come on, coach. Come on, listen up. And in the gray corner, in the gray. Fatima from Egypt. Let's go, Fatima. Let's get it. 1 second. What? Neon and gray. Neon and gray, bro. What? Down and straight. Down and straight. Down and straight. There you go. There you go.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
The winner from Egypt, Miss Fatma!
Match interview.
All right, get the rope.
First match interview.
I retire.
No! First match interview. How do you feel you did?
I feel amazing.
Beautiful words.